So over the scar where I've done the subcision, so just create this CIT, collagen induction therapy. This is what we're doing with microneedling, plasma lift, and afterwards stem cells. Beautiful. So what we have done now is we have done microneedling, we have done plasma lift, which is a combination of PRP and Z-lift in liquid form, and then this is calcium, which is a serum, calcium professional, and this is a conditioned serum which has got all the growth factors in it. At the same time it's got stem cell extracts, and the most important part of that is hyaluronic acid and fibronectin, and fibronectin is important for the cellular matrix. So this is what we do. So now we are applying the stem cells. So you will see very quickly the color will start to fade, it gets less red. So it's anti-inflammatory at the same time.